Hello, lovely people, and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today I'll be showing you how I make these blue and white geode resin coasters. Today I am using new molds. I never worked with them before. These molds come from Just For You Online UK. And for the pigments, I'll be using Resin 8 Company pigments and Arteza mica powder. Resin that I'm using today is Resin Art Pro from Resin Pro Company. I always use this resin and I absolutely love it. It is a medium viscosity resin and it's great for coaster pours as you can cast with it up to 1 centimeter. If you like videos about resin, please consider to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my further videos. Here I am mixing my colors, and as you know, I'm a little bit a sucker for blues and greens. I have never worked with this type of molds where is a hole in the middle, so I am very excited about it. And after a good mix, I am ready to proceed to the fun part. Enjoy the pour. So I have finished pouring, and now my next step is to put on top gold accent lines. I am using gold alcohol ink, and best is wait about 10 minutes so that resin is not moving around that much anymore. One last torch to make sure all the bubbles have been removed. And now I take my alcohol ink, shake it very well, put some drops in cup. You don't need a lot. And with a cocktail stick, dab it inside the paint and put on the lines how you like. As you can see, the resin is moving around and my turquoise has disappeared. I think it's due to a fact that turquoise has a bit of white, and that makes this color more heavier, and that's why it sunk. Anyway, back to my gold lines. As you can see, the first you put down the gold, it kind of expands. It doesn't make a line, but more like a puddle. After a while, it's gonna go back, and then you can just adjust it until you are happy with the shape. All done. Here is a little close-up. I'm gonna adjust the lines a bit later to make them more line-like looking. After that, I'm going to cover them and then let them cure. So it is 24 hours later. They are nice and dry, all cured. It is time to demold. I am excited as new molds always brings an excitement in me. So after a little struggle, the coaster is out. And it looks lovely. Let's take a look on the other side. We can see my turquoise that sunk. I am a bit sad because the turquoise it's not showing on these coasters. It's like I didn't even use them. On to the next coaster. Little struggle again, and it's out. Looks lovely. Dark blue and gold always looks good together. And now the next one. I must say I really like the backside. It looks like a brain cloud effect. And the turquoise is there. I did notice that these coasters have quite a big lip around. So I'm not going to sand them as they will be great for top coat resin. Here is the finished result. I painted edges gold and I applied a top coat and they are all ready. I hope that you found this video useful and that you did enjoy it. I would appreciate if you leave a comment. And for now, I'm saying bye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.